hike the Smart Arthur de Maguila, and I just got back from Malate. I was dancing in Chalubar, and there's one of the Sparkers who's a very good dancer. Sabi ko, ang God, napakabait. Kasi parang kala mo siya parang madungis, pero napaka-talented niya. Sana ang presidente ay magbigay ng mga maraming projects sa iba't ibang tao. Okay, mayaman kayo, mahirap. Sana we all have equality, not only for the gay community, but for everyone. Sabi ko, while I'm still alive, sabi ko, Lord, aside from having a family someday and have kids, sabi ko, sana makatulong tayo sa mga poor, at saka yung mga dumi sa lansangan, sana may magawa tayo. Yung mga lawmakers, we should like do better things for the Philippines. Kasi parang me, people say, why do you keep on dancing? Sabi ko, it's just my outlet. Sabi ko, I want to do a lot of great things, pero kung bibigyan tayo ng God ng opportunity, I will do it. Para kay Kuya, na sumayaw ng Michael Jackson kanina, napakagaling niya. Hindi ko na video kanina yung galing niya, pero sabi ko, nakita mo tao na to, kahit gwapo, kala mo, madungis, pero napaka-talented. Sabi ko, we should have advocates, sabi ko gano'n, na makatulong, na makapag-clean up ng mess sa Philippines. Lahat, tignan niyo yung mga basura dito sa Philippines. It's so dirty. Tapos people just throw garbage everywhere. Tapos yan. I'm in Malate. Tapos yung mayor dito sa Manila is a very good guy. Pero dapat kailangan we have to clean the esteros. It's very dirty. Sabi ko gano'n, hindi tayo pwedeng collect lang ng collect sa mga taxes. Dapat tayo gumagawa ng mga better things. And para sa gay community and the straight community, sabi ko, we should have more advocates and more good people na gagawa ng magagandang bagay. Sabi ko, I don't know what my purpose is, pero sabi ko, if God gives me strength, sabi ko, I want to do better things, not only to clean up the Philippines, para rin sa magagandang bagay, maglinis ng mga ilog, at saka yung mga traffic systems natin. Dapat yung mga tao na hindi maayos, at yung mga bus drivers na swapang, at saka yung mga taxi drivers na nangongotong, at saka yung mga jeepney drivers na hindi tama, we should all have discipline. Sabi ko, I'm very proud of the president now because he's doing great things. Kasi yung mga subordinates niya, sabi ko, wag na tayo maging corrupt kasi lahat naman ng mga tao, pinaghihirapan naman natin lahat to, no? Tapos ito si Kuya, sabi ko gano'n, yan, we are here in Malate. Sabi ko, mamaya, iba-vlogs ko na naman ito.
Hello!
Sana, we should share a love and a good Philippines. Parang sabi ko, we may not be a rich country, pero sana, magkaroon tayo ng, tingnan mo, si Michael Jackson. Dali, arriba. O yan, isa-TV yan. Billie Jean, step my soul, pam-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam, tan-nan-nan-tan-nan-tan-tan-tan-tan. Sige, 50 pesos yan. It's more fun in the Philippines. We may not be a rich country, pero you see the culture of the Filipinos, napaka-warm natin. Sabi ko, napakadaming masisipag ng mga Filipinos. They have to wake up in the morning to work. Kuya, sabi ko, gano'n, sana we have more jobs in the Philippines and the tourism industry and for the economy, na magkaroon ng mas magandang, better Philippines because ika nga, it's more fun in the Philippines. This Smart Arthur de Maguila, Mr. Gay International 2008, and mabuhay, and I love you all. Okay, isang tan-tan-tan-tan-tan-tan-tan. Okay, sabi mo, it's more fun in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines!
I'm going back to the Philippines!
Yes!
Hindi ganyan. Sabi ko, it's more fun in the Philippines.
It's my porn in the Philippines!
Hindi, it's porn. Nakahubad ka na.
Nakahubad ba?
It's more fun in the Philippines.
It's my porn of the Philippines!
Diyos ko, nakahubad ka na. Taas mo yung pants mo. It's more fun in the Philippines.
It's my porn in the Philippines!
To the President of the Philippines, Sir, sabi ko, sana for the tourism industry and for all of the dirty ilog, at saka more tree plantings, at saka ang ating Vice President, ang ating mga mayors, ang mga senators, sana more care for the community, lalo na yung mga mahihirap. Sana we help them kasi parang hindi solusyon ang kahirapan sa Philippines. We need some advocates. At saka sa election, sabi ko, hindi puro mga tao na pakitang tao lang. We need good people to give us more love, more life, tapos ang economy natin mas maging better.